Hello everybody and welcome to today's video. Today I will be sharing with you the best micro survival kit that I have assembled myself. Before I get started, I would like to clarify that this is the best micro survival kit based on my personal needs and daily life. So the best micro survival kit for someone else can look completely different. That being said, why should anybody make a micro survival kit in the first place? Well, the biggest advantage of a micro survival kit is that it can be easily taken almost anywhere. It can be very tempting to leave large or even average size survival kits when packing for work, vacation or travel, but a micro survival kit can be packed easily along with the rest of the luggage. I hope that I will never have to rely on this survival kit, but if I do, I know that it can help me whenever my life takes an unexpected turn. So, what kind of items do I keep in my survival kit? Well, starting with the box itself, it is a metal box for mints wrapped in camouflage tape, which makes it easily distinguishable from the real box with mints. Within the box, I have 3 meters of micro cord, which can hold up to 45 kilograms of mass. Next, I have a tiny compass, which was actually not cheap, but it has some very important features. First of all, it is accurate and responsive, which should be a given for any compass, but in my experience, cheap compasses tend to either point north too slowly, or they need a good shaking to do so. In addition, this compass has glow-in-the-dark directions, which can be handy in low light conditions. And my personal favorite is the possibility to lock onto a direction. Lastly, this compass has a hook on the back, which allows it to be attached to sleeves or maps or whatever you find handy. Next, I have 2 painkillers. It is not obvious right away, but this here is a pencil wrapped around in duct tape, wrapped around in a 50 euro bill. The pencil can be used as standard once the 50 euro bill is removed. The duct tape can be easily unwrapped and used as needed, and the 50 euros themselves can come quite in handy if for whatever reason I lost my wallet and I need a ride home, or I need to make some other purchase. Next, I have 6 fishing hooks secured to a piece of cork. Here in the Netherlands we have plenty of places where fish can be caught. Next, I have a small bottle of super glue, can be useful for emergency repairs. Fishing line for the hooks. Swiss Army knife with a blade, a file, scissors, tweezers and a toothpick. Seven matchsticks. Striking surface for the matchsticks. Next, I have 6 different colored threads with a needle and a safety pin for clothes reparation. Aluminium foil with 4 paper clips. Aluminium foil has many survival uses, but one of the main reasons why I have it in my survival kit is to be able to make a water boiling vessel whenever necessary. To see how to make a water boiling vessel out of aluminium foil, please watch my other video on this topic. The link is in the description. A condom also has many survival uses. And last but not least, a mirror for signalization or just to see my reflection. So these are the contents of my micro survival kit. I hope that you have enjoyed the video. Please consider giving it a thumbs up if you did, and if you like this type of content, please consider subscribing to the channel so that you may be informed when a new video becomes available. Thank you for watching.